Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Zengo Wallet, updated. Open the Zengo app, complete identity verification, and link a payment method like bank or card to buy Bitcoin. Choose the amount, confirm fees, and approve the purchase with your biometric or passcode. For on-chain withdrawals, wait for network confirmations and review addresses carefully before sending funds to external wallets or exchanges. First, create your Zengo account and secure it with a strong passcode and biometric login for everyday use. Next, complete identity verification by submitting your ID and a selfie so fiat purchases are enabled. Then link your bank or debit card, confirm verification deposits if required, and set purchase limits that match your comfort with risk and fees before executing any Bitcoin buys. When you buy, pick Bitcoin and enter the amount in dollars or BTC, then check the exchange rate and total charges displayed. Make sure you understand both the on-ramp fee and the network fee for on-chain transfers. Confirm the payment using your biometric or passcode and watch the transaction status inside Zengo until it confirms. Consider withdrawing to a hardware wallet if you plan to hold long-term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.